and you're going to get a little lesson today about squares and square roots. In math, every operation has what's called an inverse. You're familiar with addition and subtraction. For instance, since 3 plus 4 equals 7, we know that 7 minus 3 equals 4. They're inverses of each other. Same is true for multiplication and division. Since 5 times 6 equals 30, then we know that 30 divided by 5 is 6. Again, they're inverses of each other. You know another operation in math as well, and those are called exponents. For example, this is 4 to the third power. So this is telling you that we need to multiply 4 by itself 3 times. So 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. The inverse of taking a power is called rooting. So for example, if we have 5 squared equals 25, then we say the inverse of squaring that number is called square rooting a number. When we square root, we use this symbol. It is called the radical sign. So since 5 squared equals 25, then the inverse, the square root of 25, would equal 5. Let's look at this problem. It says, what is the square root of 9? So you need to think in your head what number multiplied by itself equals 9. Well, I know 3 times 3 equals 9, so therefore the square root of 9 must equal 3. Not every square root has a whole number as an answer. We call them non-perfect square roots. For example, what is the square root of 18? There is no whole number that I can multiply by itself to equal 18. The square root of 18 is about 4.2426, and it is actually a never-ending decimal that goes on and on. Non-perfect square roots, like this, are irrational numbers. Perfect square roots, since perfect square roots have a whole number as an answer, all perfect square roots are called rational and therefore whole numbers. Non-perfect square roots, since they don't have a whole number you can multiply to get to that number, are called irrational numbers. So this is just a little introduction to square roots and non-perfect square roots. You'll learn more about perfect square roots and non-perfect square roots in the following lessons. Thank you.